Hello, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 3. The Supreme Court is hearing the Karnataka rebel MLA's case as we speak. The top court has asked the Speaker why he cannot make a decision on the resignations of the MLAs in 24 hours and then take a call on disqualification. The Speaker has sought time till tomorrow to decide on both the resignation and the disqualification. The Special Investigation Team probing the IMA case detained Karnataka Congress MLA Roshan Beg at the Kempegowda International Airport today as he was trying to board a flight allegedly for Mumbai. Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy alleged that he was being ushered into a private flight by B.S. Yediyurappa's man when he was detained. Beg had time to appear before the SIT, but he was detained as the SIT suspected he would abscond if allowed to go. A building in South Mumbai's Dongri has collapsed, trapping around 40 to 50 people in the debris. The 4-story structure came crashing down, killing at least 2 persons so far and trapping several others. 10 ambulances and 3 NDRF teams are at the spot as rescue operations are in full swing. The building was reportedly not on the MHADA's annual dangerous buildings list. Torrential monsoon rains triggered floods in Nepal and across India's northeast, especially in Assam, where 26 lakh people have been affected. Meghalaya and Tripura are also coping with floods caused by heavy rains, which are expected to continue. In neighbouring Nepal, the deluge has killed 67 people and 32 are reportedly missing. Nepal has sought aid from the international community to combat this disaster. And Pakistan has finally opened its airspace for the first time since the February 26th anti-terror strike at Balakot by India. With this, normal flight operations between India and Pakistan have resumed, with India also issuing a revised NOTAM immediately. This move is expected to give relief in particular to Air India, which had to reroute many of its international flights. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.